Hi and welcome to the Wipro 3D channel. We have created many products to battle COVID-19 and today we are going to show you how to assemble and use one of them, the SafeShield. The SafeShield is a personal protective equipment that is meant to be used by anyone as an added layer of protection against COVID-19. First, let's open the pouch by cutting along these lines and take out the parts. Inside the pouch, you will find the visor, the harness, and two straps. This is step 1. Take the harness with this flat face facing upwards and the ribs facing downwards and place it like this with the rear straps facing towards you. Now take the strap with the buttons and place it on the right side of the harness, and take the strap with the holes and place it on the left side of the harness. As you can see, the strap with the holes matches the strap with the holes on the rear side, and the strap with the buttons matches this strap with the buttons on the rear side. Insert the straps into the guides provided along the sides of the harness and push down until they snap into place. Make sure that the DRDO Wipro 3D logo is facing outwards while doing this. And now, similarly, on the other side, make sure that the logo is facing outwards. This visor has 5 mounting holes that go onto the 5 mounting pins of the harness. Take one end of the visor with the logo facing outwards and place it on one end of the harness like this. Similarly, push each of the holes over each of the mounting pins like this until you reach the other side. There is a protective cover on both sides of the visor. Remove it by peeling it off like this. Similarly, on this side and the top section separately. Once you're done, close the rear straps like this. You can always adjust the tightness of these straps using the different buttons provided until it fits securely and comfortably. Once you are ready, wear your SafeShield. Congrats! Your SafeShield is now ready to use. Like and subscribe for more videos like this on our other COVID-19 products. Thanks for watching and stay safe.